Another twist tonight in the saga of Peng Shuai. She's the Chinese tennis star who virtually dropped out of sight 3 weeks ago after accusing a former Communist Party leader of sexual assault. As CTV's Richard Madden tells us, the head of the Olympic Games now says Peng is alive and well, but not everyone is convinced.
Nearly 3 weeks after she mysteriously vanished from the public eye, Chinese tennis star Peng Shuai reappeared in a 30-minute video call with the head of the International Olympic Committee. The IOC says she is safe and well, living at her home in Beijing, but would like to have her privacy respected at this time. Nevertheless, she will continue to be involved in tennis, the sport she loves so much. The IOC only posted a photo, not the video, and made no reference to her explosive accusations of sexual assault against a top communist official earlier this month. Shuai hadn't been seen or heard from until now. Chinese state media suddenly posting new footage of her whereabouts. Last night, dinner with friends. This morning, allegedly at this tennis tournament in Beijing. The video can't be authenticated, and like her other recent sightings, Shuai is all smiles but says nothing. The Women's Tennis Association is skeptical. It is positive to see her. It remains unclear if she is free and able to make decisions and take actions on her own without coercion or external interference. This video alone is insufficient.
We're at a crossroads with our relationship, obviously, with China and operating our business over there.
China experts believe the regime is stage managing her return after international backlash from pro athletes, the United Nations, even the White House.
We are deeply concerned. We join in the calls for PRC authorities to provide independent and verifiable proof of her whereabouts and that she is safe.
With China's human rights abuses under the spotlight again, President Joe Biden is considering a boycott of the Beijing Olympics slated to begin in February. Richard Madden, CTV News, Washington.
The Queen